Hello everyone, so tonight we're going to put in an aftermarket billet grill in the bumper. I've got mine right here. I've raptor lined it so it's looking good, and you don't need much for tools, just one Phillips screwdriver, and this one I got from eBay. It comes with screws and clips. Let's get started. So this guy just mounts to the stock plastic cross pieces. You can see my U-clips, and I put them back where they were before because I had this installed previously, so I know where they're going to go. And then we'll set the grill in and screw it back together. As you can see in there, the screw goes through the grill bracket and then the U bracket, which goes around the plastic piece, and the screw will go right through the plastic piece. A hard time focusing, but that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the inside. This is what the lower bumper billet grill looks like installed. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll put some links in the description where you can buy a billet grill off of Amazon.